Good morning to you all. I would like to introduce myself. I am Dr. Pooja Pathak, Associate Professor, Department of Interior Design, LAD and Srimati RP College for Women, Shankanagar, Nagpur, Maharashtra. It is my primary duty to thank Moodleians of DY Patil College, Pune for taking this initiative and making the course available to us, free of cost. With this, I am sharing my experiences, how my Moodle is created, and its importance of activities and plugins embedded in them. After understanding the basics of Moodle as a learning management system, LMS, and its importance in 21st century, I found it very relevant for delivery of educational courses, tracking students' progress, and managing record keeping. The first task was to create your own Gnomio account on Google with URL. The URL for my account is pooja.gnomio.com. It is followed by a username and password received on my mail ID, which helped me in logging on my site. After creating my own account, the first task of self-enrollment with units of syllabus was completed. The syllabus introduced is Interior Design 1, taught at first and second semester level of 4-year degree course of interior design. 4 units of syllabus were added successfully following the method told by Moodleians. The first task of discussion forum helped me to understand how an activity can be embedded in your syllabus. Following the steps as turn editing on and add an activity or resource enabled me to add discussion for Unit 1 and 2. Manage activities and plugins through site administration also enlightened me with the technique of adding multiple choice questions, matching true and false, essay and short answer. The plugins quiz of different categories embedded in your syllabus makes the student inquisitive and interested about the course and speeds up the process of learning faster and easier. The plugins quiz as drag and drop as text, image and marker gives the basic purpose of answering question in an innovative manner, which is a cumbersome exercise in traditional method of teaching. All the activities and plugins are added in the units of syllabus. Adding dummy student enables your students to access the course on Moodle, created and through site administration in managed blocks. The student's performance can be tracked through progress bar. The teacher's task gets easier to understand students' progress through course completion status block. Certificate and badges always encourage students to participate actively in learning process. These activities are also embedded in the syllabus. In calculated MCQs, the student has the option to check the answers given instead of evaluation. Counseling by way of chatting also gives an open platform to clarify the doubts. Open educational resource is added by way of pre-class lecture, assignment and theory exam activity and audio-video quiz in Moodle. Class attendance is embedded successfully in week 4 task. These links shall be visible to students for informal studies anywhere, anytime. OER Bloom's taxonomy OB has changed my perception towards what is the outcome in outcome-based education. The different levels of skills attained by a student to reach employability status are an eye-opener and shall help in modifying the syllabus to a certain extent. It is always a difficult task to connect with stakeholders and had been made easier by introducing to the concept of stakeholders collaboration. NAC has introduced COPO in the revised framework, and Moodle has also focused on the same. The examples have elucidated its relationship with Bloom's taxonomy and, if incorporated properly in syllabus, shall justify the level of students. For outcome-based education, a video on principal proportion is also added. Game pedagogy as crossword and glossary has been embedded in the course. Games like Millennier and Snakes and Ladder shall create more interest among students. Once again, I would like to thank you all for giving us this opportunity to join your course. I have thoroughly enjoyed it.